Hello, I'm Matthias with MattBeth Construction, and today we're back in this specialty bathroom that we're making. This used to be a small shower, about a standard 32 inches by 32 inches, but this customer, she's getting up in age and wanted a bathroom where she could roll in. So we made it 4 feet wide, 7 feet long. And what we're doing today is we're relocating the drain pipe. And I'm gonna show you how easy that is. This was the old drain. It's in the wrong spot. We're not gonna reuse it. What we've done already is we put this together. This is a P-trap. This catches the water so there's no smells. And we've already pre-cut this. So I'm gonna show you how we take that out right like that. It's already been primed. So what we do is we take our glue, right? Nice and clean. What we're doing here is we're going to be installing I need the level. Where's the level? I got the level, back pocket. It's important. And what we're doing is we're installing a linear drain here. So when we install a linear drain, right? When we install a linear drain here, now that's perfectly level here. Perfectly level there. Beautiful. So with this linear drain at the end, we're going to remove this, pop this up here. We lowered this just a hair because a linear drain's about 2.5 to 3 inches. So we're going to unscrew this right here, pop a linear drain. It's going to be a 48-inch linear drain. What that allows us to do is pitch one direction this way and pitch a small direction this way. What that will allow us to do is, so there's less pitch in the floor when you have the wheelchair in here or when you have someone in here helping. So that is the easiest way to change your drain. It's pretty simple. Now we're going to fill this back with dirt, pour the concrete, and I'll show you those things next. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at the number below, send us a text message or email. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.